Hello, my name is Daryl, and this is Sherry, and welcome to the first installment of Sherry's Chickens. Now, today we just got up and we're going to see if they laid us any eggs. Let's take a look. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. They like to lay the eggs in the same spot, one on top of the other, and then another chicken will come in and lay an egg on top. They like to all compete and lay in the same spot. So Sherry's going to collect those eggs. Okay, and now we have to make sure we close the coop so no predators can get in. I always have to close that coop and lock it. Now sometimes we let them out at night, about 45 minutes before it gets dark, and they like to scratch around and look for bugs and acorns and get some exercise. Now we have a tunnel system that they actually walk through. It starts here and it's hidden behind all the trees. It goes from one end of the yard to the other end of the yard. That's another small coop where they can go during the day and stretch their legs. But the tunnel goes beyond that another 50 feet. We'll show you the other end where they like to eat their breakfast.